Hello friends, there are three types of issues: issue of law, issue of fact, and issue of mixed question of law and fact. Issue of law is relating to questions of law only. For example, bar of jurisdiction. Whether civil court has the jurisdiction or inherent jurisdiction to adjudicate any particular suit is a pure question of law. It is a issue of law regarding the very existence of jurisdiction of the court. Under Karnataka Land Revenue Act, there is a bar of civil court's jurisdiction under section 61. Similarly, under section 132 or 133 of the Karnataka Land Reforms Act, civil court's jurisdiction is ousted in respect of matters which are to be adjudicated exclusively by the land tribunal or by the concerned authority constituted under the Karnataka Land Reforms Act. Similarly, there are some provisions in the Waqf Act which bars the jurisdiction of the civil court. So in case defendant raises a contention in the suit that this court has no jurisdiction to adjudicate or try this suit, then an issue has to be framed on that very serious disputed matter. That will be issue of law. It can be tried as preliminary issue also. Issue of fact. Whenever a material proposition of fact is affirmed by one party and denied by the other party, there will be issue relating to that disputed fact. Plaintiff may allege that defendant had borrowed loan of 2 lakh from the plaintiff and defendant failed to repay it. Defendant may flatly or specifically deny that plaintiff allegation, and he may say that it's a false version, plaintiff has to prove it, I never borrowed any loan. Then issue of fact has to be framed whether plaintiff proves that on such and such date the defendant had borrowed that particular sum from the plaintiff as loan. So this is issue of fact. Third category is issue of mixed question of law and fact. For example, issue relating limitation or whether the suit is barred by law of limitation, or issue like whether the suit is barred by res judicata. These are the issues which require enquiry regarding certain facts as well as application of the law thereto. So both the hue or color of law and fact are mixed in these type of issues, so they are called as issue of mixed question of law and fact. Of course, there is one more type of issue not in the field of law, it is in the field of self-improvement or self-management. It says that you shall never become an issue. If you become an issue, you cannot solve the issues of others, or you cannot solve any other issues. So in life or in profession, we shall not become an issue. We have to become part of the solution, or part of the answer, or part of even a valuable question. Thank you.